Hello and welcome to part 7 of the commentary for High Performance Imports V6 DVD. This is another trip to Car Make T&E, which was Ueno Takahiro's workshop that also produced the famous Vertex body kit line. I believe he started in D1 in 2001, so by this point he'd been competing for, I guess, 3 years. And he was running the JZZ30 Sora, which you'll see here.
You may remember Car Make T&E from our very first video. This time we visited their main performance workshop, where their latest drift cars were under development. The new Sora appeared at the Tokyo Auto Salon last year, showcasing their new carbon fibre doors.
Yeah, this model Sora was not really very popular as a drift car because even though you could buy them with a 1JZ and a 5-speed manual, they're a really heavy car. And famously, the doors are particularly heavy, so not really surprising they decided to put carbon fibre ones on,
replacing the old instruments. T&E were one of the first workshops to test the new HKS 3037 Pro S Turbo, which happily supports over 400 horsepower on the 1JZ VVTi engine. HKS twin power ignition is used too, with immaculate show-style polishing on all of the engine components.
Probably didn't look quite this immaculate after a bit more competition in D1.
The Vertex body kit has been modified somewhat, with their own T0 brake upgrade at the front. When we spotted the car at Ebisu, a new carbon fibre console had also been fitted, as if the car was short on carbon fibre. The wheels had also been updated to the latest Volks and the doors are painted over.
Seems like it still made pretty good power with the internal gate turbo. This, I think, was qualifying at Ebisu in 2002.
It wasn't Ueno's day, but he's still doing well in the championship. Another T&E car in the D1 series belongs to their chief mechanic. This S15 was the first car to use the new Vertex Ridge wide body kit. This gives plenty of clearance for the big Volk rims from Ray's Engineering.
I don't remember who this driver was. He did enter that same D1 event. Although I don't know whether he actually qualified. If anyone knows, please leave a comment. Hiroshima plates, I think.
Unfortunately, the owner was shy about the state of the engine bay, but it was neat inside, with the ever-popular Bride brick seats.
Still didn't need a full cage back then. lip on the outside of the corner there was catching out a lot of people. I'm sure they wrecked a lot of rims.
I guess it wasn't his day either. Nope, definitely not. Mind you, he wasn't the only one having trouble.
And that would be Nomiken's R34 sedan, back when it was grey. I think that was actually the day before in the practice when everyone was sliding off, and as you can tell, a lot of people have lost bits of body kit on the wall there. Anyway, that's the final part of High Performance Imports V6. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with HPI V7 very soon. Cheers.